Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy. Welcome to the incredible world of truck manufacturing. Giant 18-wheelers hauling cargo across countries, powerful dump trucks moving mountains of dirt, and massive mining trucks that can crush a car like a soda can. Today, we're sneaking inside the top-secret factories where these monster machines are born to discover the amazing journey of how trucks go from raw metal to roaring down the highway. Every truck starts as a plan. Engineers use powerful computers to design every part of the truck. They think about how strong it needs to be, how much it can carry, and how comfortable the driver will be. These designs show exactly how thousands of parts will fit together perfectly. Did you know that the biggest mining trucks can carry more than 400 tons? That's the same weight as about 80 elephants. Engineers have to make sure these giants don't break when carrying all that weight. Once the designs are perfect, the truck begins its journey in a factory. But first, the factory needs raw materials. Trucks are mostly made of metal, especially steel and aluminum. Steel gives trucks their strength, while aluminum helps keep them lighter. The steel arrives at the factory in giant rolls or sheets. These metal sheets will become the truck's body, frame, and many other parts. Now comes one of the coolest parts of making a truck: stamping. Giant machines called presses use enormous force to stamp the flat metal sheets into shapes needed for the truck. In just seconds, a flat piece of metal becomes a door panel, hood, or other truck part. After stamping, the metal parts move to the body shop. Here, robots and human workers join the metal pieces together. The robots move faster than humans and work with incredible precision. They use spot welding, which is like using lightning bolts to melt metal pieces together. Each truck might have thousands of these welds holding it together. The frame of the truck is the backbone that everything else attaches to. It needs to be super strong because it holds the weight of the engine, the cab, and everything the truck will carry. For big semi-trucks, these frames are made from C-channel steel beams that are riveted and bolted together to make a frame strong enough to last for 1,000,000 miles of driving. Time for our first quiz. Let's see what you've learned about how trucks are made so far. What material gives trucks most of their strength? A. Plastic. B. Glass. C. Steel. D. Wood.
Is your little one working on finding their first words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goalie, we've developed a speech and language system to support early language learners. Our goal is to help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goalie special. First is we have interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content like this to support learning. And lastly, our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and at Goalie, we're here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their kids' communication needs. Visit getgoalie.com and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.
If you said C, steel, you're absolutely right. Steel is the main material that gives trucks their incredible strength to carry heavy loads and last for years on the road. Once the frame is ready, it's time to add the heart of the truck, the engine. Truck engines are massive compared to car engines. A typical semi-truck engine weighs about 3,000 pounds. That's heavier than a small car. These engines are built on their own assembly line. The engine block starts as molten metal that's poured into a mold and allowed to cool and harden. After the engine is assembled, it's tested before being installed in the truck. The transmission, which helps the truck change speeds, is connected to the engine. Then this powertrain is lowered into the truck's frame using special cranes. Next comes the marriage ceremony. This is when the cab of the truck, where the driver sits, is joined to the frame. Huge robotic arms lift the cab high into the air and precisely lower it onto the frame, where it's bolted into place. Did you know that the cab of a modern truck has more computing power than the spaceships that first took astronauts to the moon? These computers control everything from the engine to the air conditioning and even help drivers navigate. After the cab is attached, workers install the electrical system, the nerves of the truck. Modern trucks have miles of wiring connecting computers, lights, and sensors throughout the vehicle. Let's have our second quiz. How much does a typical semi-truck engine weigh? A. 300 pounds. B. 3,000 pounds. C. 30,000 pounds. D. 300,000 pounds. If you said B, 3,000 pounds, you're correct. A semi-truck engine is incredibly heavy, about the weight of a small car. The truck is starting to look like a truck now, but it still needs wheels. The axles, which hold the wheels, are attached to the frame, and then the wheels are bolted on. For big semi-trucks, there are 18 wheels in total, hence the nickname 18-wheeler. The tires on trucks are specially designed for different jobs. Long-haul trucks need tires that last a long time and save fuel. Off-road trucks need tires with deep treads for grip in mud. The biggest mining trucks have tires that can be 13 feet tall and cost more than $40,000 each. Once the truck has its wheels, it moves to the paint shop. The truck is painted in a special sealed room where the air is filtered to keep out dust. Robots spray the paint evenly, and then the truck goes into a giant oven where the paint is baked on to make it tough and shiny. After painting, the truck moves to the final assembly area. Here, all the finishing touches are added: windows, seats, steering wheel, dashboard instruments, mirrors, and lights. Workers check everything to make sure it's installed correctly. Did you know that a typical semi-truck has about 30,000 parts? That's like putting together a giant 3D puzzle where every piece has to be in exactly the right place. Time for our third and final quiz. True or false? Modern trucks have more computer power than the first spaceships that went to the moon. If you said true, you're right. Today's trucks have sophisticated computer systems that control almost everything in the vehicle, making them much more advanced than early spacecraft. When all the parts are installed, it's time for testing. Every truck goes through rigorous tests to make sure it's safe. The brakes, lights, engine, and all systems are checked. They also test the trucks on tilting platforms to make sure they're stable and won't tip over easily. After passing all the tests, the truck is ready to be delivered to its new owner. Often, brand new trucks are driven to dealerships by special delivery drivers, so the next time you see a convoy of shiny new identical trucks on the highway, they might be heading to dealers to be sold. And trucks keep getting better. Engineers are developing electric trucks that don't need gasoline or diesel fuel, and even self-driving trucks that can navigate highways on their own. The trucks of the future might look very different from the ones we see today. Next time you see a big truck on the road, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. From raw metal to the massive machine hauling cargo across the country. And maybe someday, you could be one of the engineers designing the amazing trucks of the future. Whether they're delivering food to your local grocery store, carrying materials to build houses and schools, or helping during emergencies, trucks are a vital part of our world. Now you know the fascinating story of how these impressive machines are made.
Is your little one working on finding their words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goli, we've developed a speech and language system to support early learners. Our goal? To help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goli special. Interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content, like this one, to support learning. Our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and Goli is here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their children's communication skills. Visit getgoli.com today and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.